Well, basically, I got tired of the tick, tick, tick of the leaking exhaust after the cat was cut, and I did a repair with one of those little Kragen flex hoses, you know, whatever. So anyway, picked up a brand new in the box, unused Flowmaster 40 series. Yeah, I'm more of a Magnaflow person, but hey man, 30 bucks, you can't beat it, brand new. So I'm mocking it up and getting ready to, so I can weld it, and I'm just gonna run it, no cat, and I don't have to smog it till next year, so I'm gonna let it rip like this. It's gotta beat the stock exhaust with no cat and a freaking leaky freaking flex hose, you know what I mean? So yeah, thing that sucks is I ran out of regular welding wire, so I'm having to use flux core. Yay! I love laying on my back using flux core. Actually, I've never done it. And I suck at flux core. It makes a mess, it spits everywhere, and blah blah blah. So anyway, I'm gonna clean up some spots and hopefully find a way to get around it, but if not, then I'll be welding with flux core. Fun times.